Hi everybody, this is a how-to video, how to install Google Collaboratory on your computer. So you need to go to your Google account. So if you go to google.com, you'll see these, and you're logged in to your Google account. You should see these little dots right here. So you can just click on that and go to Drive. You can also just type in drive.google.com and it should take you here. So this is where you want to be. So when you click under plus sign and then more, you should see Google Colab, but it's not there. So in order to install it for the first time, the first and only time you will ever have to do this, is you click Connect More Apps, and then it takes you to this place right here, and you click up here where it says Search, and you type in Collaboratory with one L. So it's kind of weird because they misspell collaboratory on purpose, but it's a collab. That's what you want to install. So you click on it, and then you click Install. It needs your permission in order to start installing, so you hit yes. This is my account right here. And this is actually a random student's account. And that's it. They may ask you to verify this on your cell phone. And so like if you were under 13, your parent might have to be with you because they might have set up their account with the cell phone that they had installed. So it might send a message to them saying, hey, someone's trying to like install something weird on your account if you're under 12. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So now, how do I know it worked? So if I go to drive.google.com and I click new, now more, and Google Collaboratory is right there. When I click on it, it opens up a notebook folder like this, Colab Jupyter notebook folder right there. Boom. So now I know I'm done. Okay, that's it. High five.